Electric scooters are becoming immensely famous among folks, especially those who seek an adrenaline rush and thrill. These little monsters provide exhilarating speed and riding comfort, helping you to rule city roads, even rough terrains. Another reason behind their popularity is that they tend to be compact, lightweight, portable, and, most importantly, fun to ride. In today's video, we've covered the top 5 fastest electric scooters in the world based on their speed, design, performance, and other essential features. So, buckle up and ride through the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Designed to conquer different types of roads and engineered to provide you with jaw-dropping speed, this Qiewa Q-Power is something more of a traditional electric scooter packed with enticing features to deliver you excellent riding performance outdoors. This electric scooter boasts two 1600-watt motors, which allow it to hit a top speed of 55 miles per hour. Besides, this scooter has 3 speed modes and a disc brake design to accelerate your riding performance based on the trail conditions. With the help of a powerful battery system, you can ride your scooter for up to 56 miles. And after charging this battery for a maximum of 15 hours, you are ready for your next ride. This 81.57-pound electric scooter can handle almost all riding trails as it comes with 11-inch pneumatic off-road tires, shock absorbers, and high-strength aluminum alloy body with an impressive 550 pounds of load-bearing rating. Overall, this Qiewa Q-Power is loaded with everything you want from a top-quality electric scooter to make your riding efficient and more fun. Meet the Kaabo Wolf King Plus, which gives you a powerful riding experience on both city roads and uphill with the help of its integrated technology. At the same time, it makes you look fabulous with its appealing design. The electric scooter's handle, frame, and bar are made of 6061 T6 aluminum alloy and forged with 6082 T6 aluminum. So you get a solid scooter body, and your scooter will endure a massive load of around 331 pounds. And to provide you with a top speed of around 62 miles per hour, the scooter contains two 1500-watt motors. With a Li-ion battery pack and 11-inch off-road tires, this 105.82-pound scooter helps you go up to 93 miles on a single charge. And its battery requires about 19 hours to get entirely charged. So ride anywhere, commute from one place to another in minutes with this lucrative, stylish, and modern Kaabo Wolf King Plus. Extremely powerful, ergonomically designed, the 011X breaks the norms of traditional electric scooters and helps you push your limit of exploring outdoors through riding different types of routes. Equipped with two 1600-watt motors, this electric scooter can generate a top speed of 59 miles per hour while carrying around 264 pounds. And to spice up your riding performance, it comes with a motorcycle-style steering system, hydraulic shock absorbers, not hydraulic brake system, and a couple of riding modes. The electric scooter boasts a 32 amp-hour battery system that provides fluid to help you go for up to 99 miles. Anyway, if you go full throttle, you'll not get that much range though. Last but not least, this scooter weighs only 81.57 pounds and contains 11-inch off-road tires. Both features help you to propel at high speed on various routes. As our second best option, we have listed this Dualtron X2, a hybrid between the first generation motorcycle and next generation electric scooter, providing comfort, security, and high performance for optimum riding fun both on and off the roads. Unlike other electric scooters, this one features two high-end brushless motors with 4,150 watt capacity. With excellent torque power, these motors help your scooter go at high speed of 68 miles per hour when the scooter is fully loaded with 330.69 pounds of weight. So commuting from one place to another has not been so fast and enjoyable before with an electric scooter. This electric scooter contains an enormous 42 amp-hour battery, which keeps your riding body functional and it allows you to travel up to 93 miles. And the best fact regarding the battery is that it takes only 8 hours to get entirely charged. Finally, this 145.5 pound scooter features 13-inch tubeless tires and hydraulic suspensions, offering powerful traction and excellent shock absorption regardless of your road conditions. No more waiting. We are now about to reveal our overall best option on the list, which is the RION Thrust, a scooter that can generate the speed you may never expect from an electric vehicle. This hyper scooter comes with a solid structure that does not weigh more than 69 pounds, even though it's made out of quality carbon fiber, yet can endure a massive weight of around 330 pounds. Even after bearing so much load, it can hit a top speed of 80 miles per hour and will help you go up to 50 miles on a single charge. What sets this electric scooter apart from the rest of the scooters is that it offers a smooth throttle control. You will always experience adrenaline scooter riding regardless of your trail conditions and bike speed. In summary, the RION Thrust looks elegant and boasts premium quality functionalities that will take your outdoor exploration to a whole new level. So that was all about the top 5 fastest electric scooters in the world just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.